Welcome to TechQuest. Okay, here we are now at the office, and we have our tower that we just picked up. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to blow out all the dust from the inside of this machine and get it ready so that we can start putting the new parts in there. Now that we got our new motherboard, we need to assemble it, including the CPU and the memory installation. The first thing we're going to do is to lift the CPU holder and then install the CPU. Now we lower the CPU holder arm to hold the CPU in place. Now we'll install the memory. The memory needs to be matched in the two pairs by installing it into the same colored slots. Now it's time for the CPU cooler installation, following the assembly instructions that came with the cooler. Some CPU coolers have instructions for AMD processors and Intel processors. You'll want to follow the instructions for the proper CPU that you are installing. In this case, this is an Intel processor, so we'll follow the instructions for the Intel assembly. Now you want to plug in the CPU fan. Make sure you plug it into the port marked CPU fan and not pump or chassis fan. Now we're going to add some thermal paste so that the heatsink will adhere to the CPU and transfer heat properly. Now we're going to install the CPU cooler. Now we just want to make sure that it's nice and tight so that it stays put and doesn't move. Now it's time to install the fan to the CPU cooler. It just clips on with those two clips. You want to make sure the arrow is pointing towards the direction of where you want the heat to be exhausted from. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like it, hit subscribe and feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.